Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to everyone in my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to measurement capacitor with digital multimeter. To measure a capacitor, we need to select the range. So we need to select the farad range first. Then we need to select the uh, probe, the black and the red probe. The black probe is always in the common. If you measurement any electronic component things, the black is always in the common, and the red is if you want to measure the capacitor, we need to input the red LED into CX mode. V ohms or diode to CX mode, and then we need to discharge the capacitor, which one we want to measure. Otherwise, this capacitor can damage your multimeter. Sorry for that, the meter is off. I forgot this. This is a 1.5 microfarad fan capacitor, and if you do not know the value of the capacitor, we need to select the higher range. Now this time I'm doing the same thing, but okay. Now I turn on the multimeter. So this is 20 nanofarad in capacitor range, and there is nothing reading, so this is showing overloading, and this is 1.5 microfarad capacitor, so we need to select the higher range. So I selected in 20 microfarad, so now it's showing 543 or something. So this is a bad capacitor. It's 1.5 microfarad capacitor, but it's showing 6, 8, 7 or something. So this is a bad capacitor. So now we are going to say sorry. Oh, so this is 1.5 microfarad capacitor. Now we are going to measurement a good capacitor, which is 6 microfarad, and this is we're going to check now. The meter is already in the 20 microfarad selected range, and this is a 6 microfarad capacitor, so it should be measured, and it's showing 6.678 something. So this is a good capacitor. If you sense the probe, there is no any issue, because the in this measurement the negative and positive is no variation here. So this is a good capacitor. Now we are going to check a fan capacitor. To check a fan capacitor, this is 3.5 microfarad capacitor, and this is also bad capacitor. So we can measure it in 20 microfarad mode, because it's 3.5 microfarad capacitor. So if we measure the capacitor, it's showing 2.16 or something, because it damaged. So this capacitor is bad also. So thanks for watching. Stay safe and be happy. I hope you guys understand what I want to make you understand. So Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.